Hello everyone. So I'm here at a Capernaum right now. So it's not completely 6:15 yet, so yeah. I just got here first, so yeah. So yeah. They had a lock, so you just had to open it and there we go. And then you just get in. This is a nice playground. Alright. So yeah, this is nice. Not anybody else showing up yet, but some people just got here early, but that's okay. Yeah. Okay guys, so I brought these two air horns at my Capernaum. But this is the one, but I just took the horn off of it because I thought it was easier. Still sound like a whistle or scream, but yeah. So yeah. And I got the one from Walmart app. So yeah, it has been there for a long time. So yeah, we're gonna blast these outside.
Hey YouTube, Noah Tuck here. I'm over here with my friend and the guy Clint. So he's just a nice guy, that's all. Oh, did you see that, guys? Clint's just laughing. Hey Clint, you wanna say hi?
Clint here, hanging out with Noah and Hunter on YouTube, getting ready to start Capernaum. It's gonna be rocking tonight. Nice outside, nice inside. I hope those pizza guys don't come back. What do you, you think they're gonna come back tonight?
Yeah.
That mega slice is kind of scary, isn't it?
Yeah.
He is. It kind of scares me.
Yeah.
There you have it, YouTube. Clint's the guy you heard what Clint said. The mega slice is not gonna come because pizza guy's afraid of mega slice. I'm calling Mega slice, listen here. You better not come because the pizza guy's afraid of you. Okay, bye. Alright, call Mega Slice. He won't come. Peace, YouTube.
Alright guys, so the people are already being show up. So some people are showing up right now. So yeah. I think we got some couple of people are not coming, so they haven't. Well, couple of people are not haven't shown up yet, so we got some few people already show up. So yep. What's Eli doing over there? That's Eli right there. So he's just chilling. So yeah. Alright guys, Noah's having pizza rolls from Domino's.
Hey, so this pizza is so good.
Yep.
We will say together, we will feast, and we go home in the dark of night, before the dawn. My soul will be not afraid. Yeah. Okay, it wasn't one of those three types of pizzas. Somebody tell me if they could have one last meal, they knew it was their last meal, what would they have at that meal? Think about it for a second. I saw Madison's hand go up. Go ahead, Madison.
He came. It looks like so bad.
It's your last meal.
Okay.
Okay.
The Chinese restaurant.
Yeah, and what? Let me take one more. So we haven't called on yet, Jeffrey.
You talking about Italian food?
I'm talking about whatever you want. Let's food on this thing. All right, hands down. That question right there. Keep thinking about that question. If you have answers to that question, you'll be able to share them when we go to small groups. What makes a last meal special? What makes a last meal special? What makes a last meal special? Kayla. It's important. Let's listen to each other. Hey, Dylan, let's listen out there. What makes a last meal important?
So we can make it for a day.
Make it for a day?
Every holiday.
Every holiday. That kind of is a holiday. It became Good Friday. The next day was his last meal before that. Have you guys ever had a last anything? Like, what's coming up as a last something that you've had? Like, maybe last Capernaum is, for the year is May 28th. Does anybody know that? I guess Miss Pace might know the last day of school. Miss Pace, what's the last day of school?
This is Jesus. Who is the Son of God and the Savior of the world. While Jesus was on earth, he taught everyone about God's love and healed people from their sickness. He did many miracles like calming storms and even raised people from the dead. At this time, the Jewish people were celebrating a festival called Passover that had been celebrated since the time of Moses, when God brought his people out of Egypt. So Jesus was going to Jerusalem to celebrate. The disciples asked Jesus where he wanted to eat the Passover meal that night. Jesus said, "As you go into the city, a man carrying a pitcher of water will meet you. Follow him. At the house he enters, say to the owner, the teacher asks, where is the guest room where I can eat the Passover meal with my disciples? He will take you upstairs to a large room that is already set up. That is where you should prepare our meal." The disciples found everything to be just as Jesus had said. Later that evening, Jesus arrived with the 12 disciples. They sat down to eat, and Jesus said that he was happy to be with everyone. As they were eating, Jesus took some bread and blessed it. He said, "Take it, for this is my body, which is given for you." Jesus told them to do this to help remember him. Then he took a cup of wine and gave thanks to God for it. And he said to his disciples, "This is my blood. It is poured out as a sacrifice to forgive the sins of many." Jesus said, "One of you eating with me here will betray me." He told them that things were supposed to happen this way, but that great sadness would await the one who betrays him. The disciples were very upset and asked, "Am I the one? Who is he talking about?" Judas asked Jesus, "Am I the one?" And Jesus said, "You have said it." One of the disciples asked Jesus, "Lord, who is it?" Jesus said it was the one who he would give the bread to. He gave the bread to Judas, and Jesus said, "Hurry and do what you're going to do." None of the others at the table knew what Jesus meant, so Judas left at once to betray Jesus. Then Jesus comforted and encouraged the disciples. He promised them that they would have a helper come when Jesus was gone. They all sang a song to God together.
About, like, if you've ever been to a wedding? Has everybody here ever been to a wedding?
Have y'all been to a wedding?
Like the night before we have a rehearsal dinner. Everybody kind of gets together and they all kind of practice and you talk about what's going to happen the next week.
Or like plays like that. Plays have their rehearsals. Musicians have rehearsals.
All right. I'm gonna settle us down and pray first. But first, okay, hold on. First, I'm gonna do a little summary. So we're setting up. This is 2 talks on the same meal, the Last Supper. Like we did 3 talks on the feeding of the 5,000. We did 2 talks, the water into wine. And one thing I don't think it came through as clearly in my talk, but it came out in our small group was Jesus had lots of meals with his friends, right? Just like you have lots of meals with your family and friends. Yeah. There's certain meals that stick out to you, right? Maybe the meal for your parents would be the meal at their wedding when they got married, or maybe it's a birthday meal with your family, or a graduation party, or things like that. This.
Okay, point to a corner in the back of the room. There's one there, and there's one there. And then we've got one over here, and one by pizza. 4 corners, okay? So listen, when the music starts, we're all just gonna kind of dance around, move around, walk around. But when it stops, you guys are gonna run to one of the 4 corners, okay? And then I'm gonna pick a number, and if you ran to that corner, you're gonna sit because you're out, okay? So you don't want me to call your corner number. Okay, let's get some music. We're gonna walk and dance, and when the music stops, find a corner. Come on, let's dance. Keep moving, guys, keep moving. When that music stops, we're gonna find a corner. Oh, find a corner, find a corner, find a corner, find a corner. Everybody find a corner. Parker, find a corner. This is corner 1, this is corner 2, this is corner 3, this is corner 4. Parker, get in the corner. Okay, I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna have Yoli pick a number. Come on, move, guys, let's move.
They're doing this in Niger. They're doing this in Ukraine. They're doing this all around the world. Pizza contracts are up. We know that. Who enjoyed Domino's Pizza tonight? Yeah, Domino's Pizza's good. That's good. We like Domino's Pizza. But it's incumbent upon us. That means we have to review the pizza contract every 19 years. It's up to us. It's not up to some national thing out there. It's up to this Young Life Capernaum on May 21st to vote. Do we keep Domino's? Do we go Papa Joe's? Do we go Zaza? Didn't they combine, aren't they Papaza? Or do we go corporate and go mega slice? I don't know, but it's coming soon, and so let's just see if we have to hear any more. It's good to see you again.
Yeah, guys. Hold on, guys. You guys know about Better Eats, Papa Joe's, guys. Cheese, that's already melted, crust with personality, and it's not lunch if it doesn't crunch. Okay, I guess you guys don't know that.
Isn't one of your lines like sauce you can barely taste?
Well, yeah, sauce you can barely taste. We may have overcooked it a little bit, but yeah.
Hey, so Papa Joe, hold on. I asked the questions around here. Papa Joe, where have you been? We missed you.
So I don't know if did you guys see my little video?
Yeah, we saw it.
Okay, so I was out in Ellicott City, one of the premier food capitals of the world, learning about how to mix some of Zizi's textural progressiveness, some of her wet and soggy food with my classic pizza.
I mean, I don't know if you guys know, I don't know how randomly this was, but my family's actually literally from Ellicott City, is what actually you say it, Maryland, and so it is kind of a pizza capital of the world. So you've been doing what? You've been trying to perfect?
Yeah, so we're working on a couple new recipes, guys, and we know that we want you guys to be happy customers, right? Don't you want good pizza?
Yes.
Yeah, good pizza. We want to make sure, we want to put the customer first, and we want to mix our ideas together. Because, I know Mega Slice is always out here, more profit, more pizza, Mr. Blanco, profit, all that stuff. We want you guys to actually be happy and get the pizza. We want to win the Young Life Capernaum contract.
I know you do. I know you guys had a pretty interesting. You decided to combine your companies, Papa Joe's and Zaza. But she was here last time. You weren't here. You're here. Where is Zaza?
Yeah. Well, we were together. It was about 6 or 7 days ago. Oh no.
I mean, I gotta be honest, he is on beat.
Capernaum kids, clock in.
The name is Francesco Antonio Bocelli. I'm from Mega Slice.
Oh no.
I gotta say, you are amazingly on beat to your music. I don't know how you do that. If some of you guys work on or not.
Let me tell you the secrets.
Yeah, please start.
Mega Slice. What are you still doing here?
I want to win the Young Life Pizza Capernaum contract.
Anyways, like I was saying, I am from Mega Slice.
Oh no, you are.
I was just having a late lunch, early dinner with Dave Blanco. Do you guys know who Dave Blanco is? Right. The Young Life Area Director of We were just talking about the contract. And
Okay, you ready? Go, Henry, spin it. Go ahead. Spin. Okay, are you going, Caleb? Give it a good spin. Want to go now?
What's up, YouTuber fans? My mom's new car. My mom's here to pick me up. So peace, YouTube. My mom's here to get me.
Yep.
Looks like it's time for me to roll, obviously.
Alright. Bye, Noah.
Hold on, before I go, I remember this back in my time. Ow, ow, ow with you. See you at school, right, Hunter?
Yep.
Alright, I'll see you at school, Hunter.
See you at school.
Bye.
Bye. I have my air horn right here. Give it a shot. Hold on. Let me do it over here so I don't want the sound to be disturbed. That was loud when I was in my shoulder. What?
Purchase your tracks today.
Oh. You know what, guys? I don't know. Alright guys, so the Capernaum has already ended. Everybody else has started leaving. So yeah. Alright, anyways, that's all we have for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, turn on notifications to get more videos from me. So yep. I'll see y'all later. Peace out, guys.